sun. Whoa, if I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some portion of my life that I found. So I run back to the things like that to restore me, restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this love to come down. Give it up for the LC House Band. See this train run away to some fortune. Time. Thank you so much. That one is by a much better band than me, but I could be not better than this one. It's by Young the Giant. At this point in the evening, I would like to introduce a very special guest. I have a point to every LC Fest to have sort of a